I don't like that there.
Tough.
Mm-hmm. Are you making pizzas at home on a pizza stone or a pizza steel? Well, if you're not, keep watching because we're going to make a pizza on each one to see if one is better than the other. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants. Today we are having a pizza stone versus pizza steel bake-off. So we've clearly had these for quite some time and loved them a lot. These were how we used to make pizza before the uni and when the weather's really...
Pre-uni,
but when the weather's really icky, we still use these, as you can tell. So we're gonna make two very simple cheese pizzas with just a fresh, in the can, uncooked sauce with our San Marzanos, basil, garlic, of course, more than one clove, thank you. And our Ardea mozzarella shreds. So what else do you want to tell me about this?
Everything.
No,
I'm kidding. Not everything. No. So the key with this, which we're going to get started here in a minute, is you really want to preheat these. So as our oven gets up to 550 degrees, so we're going to get these preheated and put them in there as the oven is preheating, so that the stone and or steel warms up. So yeah, let's see which one is better. Let's make pizza. We're making a pizza on the pizza stone first. So we're going to get that oven started to 550 and we're going to put the pizza stone in so it can warm up as the oven does. For these pizzas, we're just going to do a really quick and simple fresh sauce. We're going to get our can of whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes, add in a little bit of salt, pepper, and Calabrian crushed peppers, 3 garlic cloves, and 4 basil leaves, and get it blended up with your stick blender. So the oven is up to temp and we are ready to launch our pizza onto the pizza stone. We're going to start out by building our pizza. So just get your dough worked out onto a flour surface, get it into the shape that you like, the thickness, and then put it on a semolina covered pizza peel. We're going to go ahead and put our fresh sauce that we just made on as the base, and then we're using some Ardea mozzarella for the cheese, and then we're going to get that launched into the oven. It's been about 10 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and pull out that pizza cooked on the pizza stone, and it looks nice and tasty. With the pizza stone pizza done, we're going to go ahead and add our pizza steel into the oven. The oven obviously was already on, so we're just going to let the pizza steel sit in the oven for probably about 20 minutes until it gets up to the temp of the oven. The pizza steel is up to temp, so we're going to go ahead and get started on building our pizza. We're going to do the same thing for this pizza, just a really simple base of the fresh sauce along with the Ardea mozzarella, and then we're going to go ahead and get that launched into the oven. The pizza steel pizza is all done and looks great. I cannot wait to taste these to see which one we like a little bit better. They're done? Mm-hmm. They look good.
They both look good.
I think they look, I think they turned out, so it'll be interesting to bite into it. I shared with Katie that
he insisted on cutting it first.
Well, she does these weird, funky little squares and hexagons and isosceles triangles. Anyway. Look at me with the geography ref. No, geometry.
Those are countries.
Yes. Okay. Well.
Oh my God. So anyway, he commented that the pizza steel, was crispier than the pizza stone. It just felt crunchier.
Yes.
And just to level the playing field, we put them both in. We checked them both at 5 minutes, and then we took them out at 10 minutes. So they had equal baking time.
Yep.
And we temperature checked to make sure the stone and the steel were up to temperature. So they started at the same. So.
Okay, enough of this, some of this.
Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, I see what you're doing. I'm taking the big one this time.
Okay, you can do that. So dough looks good. Bottom is not as brown as what happens with the uni.
Yeah, it's a little browner, or the steel is a little browner.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce, that fresh sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I love cooked sauce, but sometimes the fresh sauce it's just real simple.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's good. It's got a chew. It's got a good chew to it.
Yeah.
All right. So let's see.
Which one do you want? The big one again?
Yeah. So this one definitely browner on the bottom.
Yes, definitely browner on the bottom. So
a little thicker on the dough.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. The bottom is more.
Yep.
More
definitely
cooked.
Crispier.
Mm-hmm.
And not that one was bad.
It just, the steel gets so hot, it really gets the bottom of things it's almost like a thicker crisp.
Yeah, not that
versus a thinner crisp.
Not that it fries, but I just think, I don't know. Yeah, it definitely is crispier.
Yeah.
If you don't have either of these, I think our vote would probably be the steel. We found ours on Amazon. I'll put a link below. It's not an affiliate link. We bought ours.
Yeah.
But it's made here in the U.S. So
it's very heavy. I'll warn you. They're very heavy.
Yes.
We just leave ours in the oven all the time. But I have found even baking sourdough, if the steel is in the oven when I'm baking sourdough, the bottom gets more done than it would normally. So it makes sense that it had the same effect with the pizza.
Yeah.
So
it was good. Fun test.
Yeah.
So
be kind.
Eat pizza
With plants.
See ya.